Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is B.Inggris. You can call me Dia. For the first time, I want to tell you about make a simple wear hijab. Like look this. Okay, and stay tuned. First, so the right one is shorter the left and in the middle here. Okay, then the left was broke here. It's broke here. Okay, finish. Yes, for the second, let's say the same thing at first. The right one is shorter and the left is longer. And the left one is pull back. Yes, like this. Finish. Simple wear hijab. Okay, next the side left and right is the same, and you must pin in here. Then put all of them will work here. And you must put in here. Finish. The letter left and right the same. Then bring in here. Finish. It's simple, right? Thank you for watching and see you in another time, and stay safe everyone. Bye bye.